Welcome to GC Vasana technical class. Our today topic is kinematic pair, a joint of two links having relative motion between them known as kinematic pair. Classification of kinematic pair. Kinematic pair can be classified first one according to nature of contact between the links. Second, according to type of relative motion between the links. According to nature of mechanical constant between the links. First one, according to nature of contact, the kinematic pair are classified as lower pair and higher pair. A kinematic pair known as lower pair if the two links has surface contact of area contact between them. Also the contact surface of the two links are similar. Example for lower pair are shaft rotating in a bearing and nut rotating in screw. If the two links or a pair has a point or line contact between them, then the kinematic pair is known as higher pair. The contact surface of the two links are not similar. Example, higher pair are first one, cam and follower. Cam and follower and wheel rolling on surface. According to the type of relative motion between the two links, the kinematic pair and classification as first one, sliding pair, second, turning pair, third, rolling pair, fourth, screw pair or helical pair, fifth, spherical pair. A kinematic pair is known as sliding pair if the two links to each other. Link 4 and 1 are having sliding motion relative to each other and hence they form sliding pair. Another example is rectangular rod in rectangular hole as like this. Turning pair. A kinematic pair is known as turning pair if one link has turning or revolving motion relative to other. Third, rolling pair. A kinematic pair is known as rolling pair if one link has rolling motion relative to the other. A rolling wheel on flat surface from rolling pair. In a ball bearing, the ball and bearing from one rolling pair wherever the ball and surface from second rolling pair. Third one, screw pair. A kinematic pair is known as screw pair if the two links having turning as well as sliding motion between them. The lead screw and the nut of a lathe is screw pair. Also, nut and another example screw pair if fifth one, spherical pair. A kinematic pair is known as spherical pair if one link in the from of a spare turns inside a fixed link. The ball and socket joint is a good example of this. And the last one is, according to nature of mechanical constraint between two links, the kinematic pairs are classified as closed pair, and second one is unclosed pair. Closed pair, in case of closed pair, the two elements of the pair are held together mechanically, whereas in case of unclosed pair, the elements of the pair are in contact due to force of gravity or due to some spring action. The elements are not held together mechanically. For example, pair of cam and followers as shown in these examples.